Hey guys, and welcome back to another Monday. My name is Vinny, representing Shark Fin Barber Edition. Excited to bring you guys today the Italian beard. We're going to walk you through this step by step so you can be confident to put this on any one of your clients. Please comment, like, subscribe. Everything helps. And the comments, whatever you guys want to see in the future, please leave below. Enjoy. Ben, what up, baby?
How you doing, brother?
Good, man. Thanks for coming out again.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Today, this is the third or fourth time you've been on here?
Yeah.
I love it, man. Thanks for being a model for this Italian beard. I think this is going to look really good on you. A lot of things look good on you.
I appreciate it.
So, guys, welcome to today's class. Something that has been all over social media that a lot of clients are coming in and asking for right now is the Italian beard. For us, it's been around for a little while, but now they put a name on it. It's trending, so let's talk about it. Let's talk about the process and keep things real simple for you behind the chair so you can achieve it on anybody that sits down for you. So this is going to be a very aggressive, skinned out beard, so tapered down low. Pretty simple process, and less is more when going through these steps for the beard. Really got to pay attention to the density of the beard. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna talk about what we're gonna do first. A few steps. Do it so you can watch it, and then continue on in that process. So we're gonna clear the beard out with a 3 all over to prep the length, and then with this beard design, the skin line is going to be between the jawbone and the bottom of the earlobe, and depending on what look you're going for, we're going to go straight across. You can angle down, or sometimes people are coming up. That's up to you. To keep things simple, I'm going to go off the jawbone, and we're going to go straight across into the mustache line. From there up, everything will be skinned out. So we're going to clear it with a 3, put our line in, and bald it out. Ready, man?
Yes, sir.
All right. Take a second, pause, say where we're at. 3 cleared all over, off the jawline, or off the back bone of the jaw, putting our skin line in, skinning it out up top, and then adding the foil shaver. We are now prepared to blend into the 3, line up the jaw, and finish with the mustache. So we're gonna go open no guard. I'm gonna go about pinky on each side. Don't need a lot. I'm going to use the density of the beard to help me out. So less is going to be more. This is going to blend very easily. So we're going to go open no guard, And then I'm going to clear it with a 1 to blend in to the 3. Anything that I see above the 1 up here, go in, polish with the half guard. Anything below, maybe going with the 2 or the 1.5. I'm not anticipating needing to do that though. So that's what we're going to do now. Pinky width, open no guard to blend into the skin, 1, and then we'll check to see where we're at before we line it up. Before we start that, if you noticed, whatever I did to one side, I did to the other right away. That keeps me on track. If you're just starting out, I highly recommend doing that as well, so you don't just finish a side and then you can't see your lines and you don't know where you were at. All right, right, Ben?
Yes, sir.
We cut aesthetically, we cut off of our eye. So yes, we have a science behind what we do, but then you have to take it into account what's happening in live time in front of you to adjust, especially when you are tailoring what you're doing to the model or client. Sorry. Yeah. All right, so like we said, we're gonna go in with the 1 now, try to blend that right into the 3, then put that line in the neckline, which is gonna really make everything pop, clean up the mustache, and that's the Italian beard. Let's get into it. Open 1. All right, so this last part, that's case by case for the client. That's less structure and more polish and going off of what you're seeing to make that blend. All right, let's line this up. The exterior is really going to make everything pop inside. Then we'll clean up that mustache. Good to go. Love it. All right, real quick, let's talk about the line. This is kind of, it's not difficult. It's just kind of like what's going to make it pop. So let me show you on this side what happens if I go too low. All right, so we can see the difference here. And then with how low this is, it just kind of takes away from the contrast. Doesn't make it pop as much. Versus this side, more pleasing to the eye. So when you're working, if you're working through this for the first time, your fades, a beard design like this, start low, you'll know. You can always start low, bring it up higher, and you'll know when it starts to really look good, or as I like to say, pop. All right, when we're doing a stash as well, just following that upper lip angle to match, make it look good for your client. Taking off a little bit at a time until you're happy with it there. All right, what do you think, bro?
Looks really good.
We've never done this before.
No, this is new.
This is new. Looks good on you. Sheesh. Yeah, you do pull off a lot, man.
It's nice having a beard. Let me get your number.
So, all right, guys, that is the Italian beard. Let's thank Ben for being here today. I hope this was helpful. Remember, we took it kind of step by step. Go back, watch it again, and grab a friend, try it out. All right, we'll see you guys next Monday.